Today, this is what we want to draw. This is what we want to draw today, and we want to draw this in both views, in isometric view. I want to draw this in 3D view. We are also going to draw this in orthographic projection. So we are going to start with the 3D. So to start, we are going to do the page setup. The page setup just like normal. We'll type units, and units we are going to change scale to millimeters, precision to 0.0. Then we are going to set the limits. The limits is 0, 0. It is 0, 0. The lower limit, then the higher. The upper limit is 297, 210, and then we zoom all. After that, we are going to type UCS icon and type N for no origin, and then after that we are going to change the page to the taskbar to be having 3D modeling. Change it to 3D modeling. In 3D modeling, we are going to find all that we want to use there. Well, now after this, we are going to start with this. Have the whole figure, the whole base. So the whole base is 110 plus 72 divided by 2, that is 36. So 110 plus 36, we have that. So we draw auto mode on, one 10 72 110, and then close with 72. After that, we'll get the circle and have it at the middle to have it to this well and good. So after that, we are going to trim. So after trimming, we are going to delete that is not required, and we have here is a circle of diameter 26, circle of diameter 26 from the same center, circle of diameter 26. So these two these ones we are going to use it head. So we need to press pull this. As have it to south east isometric, have it to south east isometric, and according to the drawing it is not really that. Let's go back to the drawing. It's supposed to be good. It is supposed to be like this. So we are going to do what? We are going to press pull it to a distance of 34 minus 20. 34 minus 20 is 14. A distance of 14. We are going to press pull it to a distance of 14. Good. After that, we get it to we have this all done. So have circle and have it at a diameter of 26. And press pull it off, and again from here should be going to a distance of 35 and the distance of 36. The midpoints 35. Ensure you have your auto mode on. So instead we can also use copy edges. Then we copy that to distance of 35. And we also copy that edge to a distance of 36. Copy the edge, to distance of 36. Well, so at that point we draw a circle of diameter 26, and then delete your lines and then press pull it off. Well and good. After that, we are going to have this done. We have 70. We'll copy. We are going to copy this edge to a distance of 70, and we press pull that up to a distance of 20, a distance of 20. After that, we are going to copy this to a distance of 15, and this to a distance of 55. Well, copy this edge to a distance of 15, and again copy it to a distance of 55. After that, copy the line below, a distance of 18, copy, copy this to a distance of 16, well, because from 16 and 18 when we add, we are going to get 34. So we are going to press pull this off. Good. So after that, we are going to have move it away and have these lines deleted. So this is our figure. Check it. We have done it well and well. So subscribe, like and share to our channel. Invite your friends as well. Come back for more of these exciting videos and easy way of drawing using AutoCAD.